Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. We are glad to greet you. In this two-part series, we're taking an in-depth look at one of America's most iconic trucks, the Ford F-150. Here in Part 1 as we explore its safety, performance, technology, design, reliability, and durability. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or in the market for a dependable workhorse, this series has got you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, share this video, and subscribe for more informative automotive content. The Ford F-150, an in-depth look at its safety, performance, technology, design, reliability, and durability. The Ford F-150 is a highly rated pickup truck that has earned a well-deserved reputation for its exceptional performance and reliability. With its impressive capabilities and innovative features, the F-150 has consistently been recognized as a top choice among truck enthusiasts and industry experts alike. In this video, we will explore why the Ford F-150 has achieved such a high rating and what sets it apart from other trucks in its class. Whether you're in need of a powerful workhorse or a versatile vehicle for everyday use, the F-150 delivers on all fronts. Let's delve into the remarkable qualities that make the Ford F-150 stand out from the competition. The Ford F-150's safety features. When it comes to safety, the Ford F-150 is a top-rated choice in the market. Packed with advanced safety features, this dependable truck offers peace of mind to drivers and passengers alike. In this segment, we will explore three key safety features of the Ford F-150: Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, high-strength steel frame, and crash test ratings. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. The Ford F-150 comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, that enhance safety on the road. These cutting-edge technologies are designed to help drivers avoid accidents and mitigate potential risks. The ADAS features available in the Ford F-150 include collision warning with brake support. This system uses radar sensors to detect potential frontal collisions and provides audible and visual warnings to the driver. If a collision is imminent, the system can automatically apply the brakes to help reduce the severity of the impact. Blind Spot Information System, BLIS. BLIS alerts the driver when there is a vehicle in their blind spot, helping to prevent dangerous lane change maneuvers. Lane Keeping System. Using cameras, this system identifies lane markings and alerts the driver if they unintentionally drift out of their lane. It can even nudge the steering wheel to help guide the vehicle back into the correct lane. Adaptive Cruise Control. This feature maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, automatically adjusting the speed to match the flow of traffic. It helps reduce driver fatigue and promotes a safer driving experience. With these ADAS features, the Ford F-150 ensures that drivers have the latest safety technologies at their disposal, allowing them to navigate the roads with confidence. High-strength steel frame. The Ford F-150 boasts a high-strength steel frame, which contributes to its exceptional safety performance. This robust construction provides added protection to occupants in the event of a collision. The use of high-strength steel enhances the truck's structural integrity, reducing the risk of intrusion into the passenger compartment and enhancing occupant safety. The foundation of the Ford F-150's high-strength steel frame not only contributes to its safety but also its durability and capability. It enables the truck to withstand demanding conditions, making it a reliable choice for various work and recreational activities. Crash test ratings. When it comes to safety, crash test ratings are an important factor to consider. The Ford F-150 has consistently received high ratings in various crash tests conducted by reputable safety organizations. These ratings reflect the truck's ability to protect occupants in different crash scenarios. For example, in the rigorous tests conducted by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the F-150 has consistently earned a top rating of 5 stars overall. Additionally, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has awarded the F-150 with top ratings in multiple crashworthiness categories, such as frontal crash, side crash, and roof strength. These exceptional crash test ratings underscore the Ford F-150's commitment to safety, ensuring that you and your loved ones are well protected on the road. The Ford F-150's performance. When it comes to performance, the Ford F-150 is an exceptional vehicle that truly stands out. From its powerful engine options to its impressive towing and payload capacities, as well as its fuel efficiency, the F-150 is designed to deliver a superior driving experience. Engine options. The Ford F-150 offers a range of engine options to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you are looking for robust power or efficient performance, there is an engine choice for you. 3.3L TVC V6 engine. This standard engine delivers a balance of power and efficiency. With 290 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, it provides ample strength for everyday driving tasks. 2.7L EcoBoost V6 engine. This turbocharged engine offers an impressive combination of power and fuel efficiency. With 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, it delivers exceptional acceleration and towing capability. 5.0L TVC TV8 engine. For those seeking immense power, the 5.0L V8 engine is an excellent choice. With 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, it provides the strength needed for heavy-duty towing and hauling. 3.5L PowerBoost Full Hybrid V6 engine. The F-150 also offers a hybrid powertrain option for the environmentally conscious driver. This engine combines a 3.5L V6 with an electric motor, generating a total of 430 horsepower and exceptional fuel efficiency. Towing and payload capacities. The Ford F-150 is renowned for its impressive towing and payload capabilities, making it a top choice for those who require a truck that can handle heavy loads. The F-150 boasts a maximum towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, depending on the engine and configuration. Additionally, it offers a maximum payload capacity of up to 3,325 pounds, allowing you to transport a wide variety of cargo with ease. Whether you need to tow a trailer for work or recreational purposes or carry heavy loads in the truck bed, the F-150 is built to handle the toughest tasks. Fuel efficiency. In addition to its performance capabilities, the Ford F-150 also prioritizes fuel efficiency, ensuring that you can enjoy both power and economical driving. The 3.3L V6 engine boasts an EPA estimated fuel efficiency of 20 mpg combined. The 2.7L EcoBoost V6 engine offers an impressive EPA estimated 22 mpg combined. The 5.0L V8 engine achieves an EPA estimated 19 mpg combined. The 3.5L PowerBoost Full Hybrid V6 engine provides excellent fuel efficiency, with an EPA estimated 25 mpg combined. With these fuel-efficient options, the F-150 allows you to save on fuel costs without compromising on performance. The Ford F-150's technology features. The Ford F-150 is not just known for its ruggedness and performance, it also boasts a wide array of innovative technology features. From the advanced infotainment system to its enhanced productivity features, the Ford F-150 is designed to keep you connected, entertained, and productive on the road. Infotainment system. At the heart of the Ford F-150's technology features is its intuitive infotainment system. Equipped with an easy-to-use touchscreen display, this system allows you to effortlessly control various functions and access a range of entertainment options. Whether you want to stream your favorite music, make hands-free phone calls, or navigate with ease, the infotainment system provides a seamless and immersive experience. Its user-friendly interface ensures that you can stay focused on the road while enjoying the convenience of modern technology. Connectivity options. The Ford F-150 offers a multitude of connectivity options, keeping you seamlessly connected to the digital world. With Bluetooth technology, you can easily sync your smartphone to the infotainment system and stream music or make phone calls wirelessly. Additionally, the Ford F-150 offers support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to integrate your smartphone's features directly into the infotainment system. This means you can access your favorite apps, receive messages, and use voice commands to control your phone, all without taking your eyes off the road. Enhanced productivity features. The Ford F-150's technology features go beyond entertainment and connectivity. It is also equipped with enhanced productivity features that make every aspect of your drive more efficient. For starters, the available Ford Pass Connect system turns your truck into a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing you and your passengers to stay connected on the go. This is especially useful for remote work or staying entertained during long road trips. Furthermore, the Ford F-150 offers advanced driver assist features, such as the available Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which makes maneuvering and parking with a trailer a breeze. This feature utilizes a knob interface and backup camera to provide precise control, making towing safer and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in to part 1 of our comprehensive series on the Ford F-150. We've laid the groundwork for understanding what makes this truck a standout choice. But there's still more to uncover in part 2. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the F-150's features and capabilities. Your support is what drives us, so please continue to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver for all your automotive information needs. Thank you for watching.